Welcome to Math 107 Online. My name is Angie Redman. I'm your instructor for the course. I'm going to show you just a few things in our Canvas classroom. So I'm signed on here to the Canvas classroom. I'm on the course menu. You can access a lot of the information from the course menu, but for the most part, you'll probably be clicking on this Modules tab to access the course material in terms of my videos, the syllabus is here, our weekly discussion board activities are here, and information about the final exam and midterm. As we start to move through, do read all of this information. So read the syllabus, know how to contact me. I'm going to click on the required course materials here. We've got two important course materials. First is access to MyLab and Mastering. You can purchase access through the bookstore, but it is considerably more expensive than purchasing it directly through our Canvas site. I do recommend that you get the shorter subscription if you have an option. There's also a 2-week free access code. The module about the MyLab and Mastering will take you through that, but just quickly here, the tab is here, and this is how you're going to register for that, in either directly online with your payment information or with a previously purchased access code. The second required material is the graphing calculator. So you do need the graphing calculator. I recommend the TI-83 or 84. You can also use a compatible app. It's just a few dollars on your phone, or there's a free simulator that you can download to your computer. So any of those will work, but you absolutely need a graphing calculator or something very compatible. Let me go back to the modules. So after you've read through the required materials and the syllabus, here's the information about getting into the MyLab and Mastering site. You do have to access it through Canvas because I have those two paired. So if you've used this before, you do need to go instead through our Canvas site, and you'll need to repurchase it because it's textbook specific. Also, the online midterm and final exam, there are prerequisites to those. These are in the MyLab and Mastering site. Some good information here, due dates, what to do if you're taking one late, what you need to do before you can take the exam, all of that is posted there. And then finally, the meat of the course here are in these weekly modules. Normally they run from Tuesday to the following Monday with a quiz due, but class starts on Friday this year. So we're going to go Friday, and then you have a full week, and then the following Monday until that first quiz in MyLab and Mastering is due. However, you've got a Getting Started quiz. This is the only Canvas quiz that you'll take, and also a biography discussion board. I'm going to click on that discussion board. There are discussion board activities for most of the weekly modules, not all, so you'll be working part in Canvas and part in the MyLab and Mastering site. You'll notice that I've already posted my biography, so you can take a look at that. To post your own, you want to grab the reply box directly underneath the instructions, and then you can type, whatever you want here. Hi, I'm, whatever. I'm going to cancel that. So you can go ahead and type that in there. You also need to reply to somebody's post. To do that, find their post and then click on the reply button or the reply box right below that, and then you can go ahead and type in your reply. I'm going to cancel that one as well. Okay, so back to that week 1 module. You'll also see in the week 1 module, there it is, a week 1 overview. So each of the weeks have an overview. It tells you the topics that we're covering, and then the task list of the things that you need to get done for the week. So a great way to keep track of what you have coming due. These are posted in each of the modules. As well as videos that I have prepared. I get a lot of great feedback from the videos. I've tailored the videos to go along with the assignments, quizzes, and exams in MyLab and Mastering. So you'll see me working several of those examples. So as we move through, there's also a reminder here at the end when the quiz is due. And then the next week, the week 2 will begin Tuesday, January 14th. So do look for the videos, the discussion board activities, and those weekly overviews here in Canvas. Another really good way to keep track of what's coming due is the calendar. So if I click on the calendar, it will bring up, let me just click over to January here, it will bring up a glance of the due dates. While we're over here along the side, the inbox, I'm not going to click on it because it's going to have all of my messages, but the inbox is a great way to contact me. I will also be contacting you via the inbox. So look for a little number here indicating that you have a message. Let me go back to our class site. Let's see if it will let me go back here. Back, and then back. So back to our class site, just a few more important things to point out here. This homework FAQ, I've taught this class a lot online, and I've got several video solutions that I've made for students over the years. So go ahead and click this. It will take you to a site that has several homework solution videos. If you ask me a homework question, I might just post the solution video that I make for you here as well. So a great resource for you. And then grades. So our Canvas gradebook is the official gradebook. All of the scores from my lab and mastering get transferred over into the Canvas gradebook. So this is where you can check and see your grade for the quarter, check for missing assignments and things like that. Let me know if you've got any questions. I hope you have a great quarter.